So previously we learned how we can create variables and we played around with them. For this videos, we would learn that given a variable, how can you find the data type of that variable? So to check or find the type of variable or object in Go language, we can use the capital T format specifier or the type of function from the reflect package. Let's start with capital T format specifier. So this is the simplest way to find the type of variable in Golang. Here, we're going to declare 4 variables of type integer, string, boolean, and float. We are then going to print the value of the variable and the data type of the variable using the respective format specifiers. So we use %v to print the value of the variable, while %T to print the data type of that variable. And on running the program, we get our expected results. So we get variable grades is equal to 42 and it is of type int. That's right. Then we get that variable message equals to hello world and it is of type string. Ischeck is equals to true and is of type bool, while amount is of type float 32. Now the type of function can be used not just for finding out the data type of the variable, but also for finding the type of simply a value or literal, as we say. First, we would need to import our packages. So fmt for formatting and printing our output, and reflect package for using the type of function. Now here, in each printf statement, we pass in different kind of literal to the type of method. First is an integer, second is a string, then we have 46.0, which is a floating point number, and last is true, which we know is Boolean. Also note how we use %v in this case to print the value that's returned by the type of function. Now let's run the program to see the output. So we get a correct output, that's int, string, float, and bool. Now let's use the type of method with variables. So here we're going to declare 2 variables of type integer and string. And then we're going to print the value and the data types of both of these variables using the type of method. Note how we pass in the variable name to type of method this time. On running the program, we get our output as follows. So variable grades equal to 42 and is of type int. And variable message equals to hello world is of type string. That's right. Well, that's it for this lecture. We'll see you in the next one.